Welcome to the exciting world of 1,000 vlogs. A small Timog restaurant that serves popular Thai dishes. Thai Mango is the best place in the area to get mango sticky rice as well as pad Thai, perfect for a hot day. Thai Mango also has vegan coconut ice cream and Thai avocado smoothie that will help you cool down.
I want the tall one. Which one do you think I should get?
You can always enjoy tasty Thai pork, mango chicken, and Thai chicken at this spot. In accordance with the reviewers' opinions, waiters offer nicely cooked mango sticky rice here. Don't miss the opportunity to order delicious Thai iced tea or good iced tea. Imagine a combination of tasty food and a courteous staff. This is exactly what this restaurant provides you with. The spectacular service is something these restaurateurs care about. The charming atmosphere brings a relaxing feel to a guest stay at Thai Mango by Chef Kim Timog. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Can I try yours? Okay, I'll try yours.
No, wala siya. Ano ba? Gusto mo? Ba't hindi ka?
No, I want my ultimate
Orders. Uli ka dito kami. Magkano ito? 1
Please do watch our other food crawl series. One of the Metro's most beloved Thai casual dining restaurants, Thai Mango, with exciting announcements about expansion and other future plans from their management team. Thai Mango aims to reinvent the way you enjoy Bangkok street food this 2025. Thai Mango isn't just focused on expanding its offerings and branches. Thai Mango is dedicated to reinventing how Thai food is enjoyed by the Filipino market. They aim to make Thai less intimidating, more accessible, and affordable while keeping each dish authentic and delicious to what Bangkok street food truly is. Have you had the chance to visit Thai Mango? Or are you planning a visit soon? Please comment down below. Thank you for watching.